This is my favorite one right here that I usually use with my other fountains. And what the heck is happening? What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and we are here. I haven't done this in a long time. This is where the channel started, you guys. Well, kind of started. So if you have been a long time follower, you know that I reviewed fountains. Let's go ahead and get into it. The special thing about this one is that it has a remote. I believe the remote is for like controlling the height of the water. When I first started reviewing these was basic, like basic. You just put it in the water and that's it. But now they're starting to have colors, remote controls and stuff like that. I just wish now you could control the lighting. So let's see if you could control the lighting or not. I didn't read all of the description. I read some of it, but let's go ahead and get into it. So as y'all know, to avoid editing, there you go. You have these. All right, and the interesting thing it says here, it says auto anti-dry shutdown. I did have the aceton one that had a remote on it, 2 buttons on there, and it's integrated in, so maybe it's soft touch. All right, we need 2 AAA batteries. Before it used to just be Ziploc bags. We have the old school nozzles. Take this out. This is definitely a nice, sleek design. So this is 4 watts, okay, blah blah blah, we know that already. 1000 milliamp. I never seen this before. All right, this is my first time, and if it's your first time, this is our first time doing this. So it says to open, turn left. Should be this cap, right? Oh, there we go. So we turn left on that cap. Wow, that is a big filter. My opinion, they should have gave us maybe like 3 more filters just to have replacements. You can always clean the filters. That's why you have the ability to take it off. So there goes the motor right here. All right, so we're gonna put this back. All right, we put that back. We're gonna put this back on, and we're gonna twist right for righty-tighty. All right, this is foam right here. This is the ability for it to float. And this is not light, you guys. Like, this has some weight to it. So the other bird bath solar fountains that I have, they have those straws. This one don't have straws at all. So once it hit the wall, it just hits the wall. With this, it's simple. You should just be able to push it in. That's it. All right. Let's see with this. Is it just pushing? Yep, so I think it's just pushing just like that. Oh, this is pretty cool. Can't wait to test this out. Seemed like the water come out on the sides and the top. I never seen a nozzle like this one before. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and go to the pond or the bird bath, either one, and we're gonna test this out. All right, you guys, so we have good sunlight today, and let's go ahead and get into it. This is my favorite one right here that I usually use with my other fountains. And what the heck is happening? Okay. Let me loosen it and see. Okay, so it's just coming out on one side. Something is wrong, you guys. It's supposed to be coming out like a waterfall on all sides, and it's not happening. So this is not working properly. All right, so let's test out our other nozzles, but I'm upset because this is my favorite nozzle that I use on all of my water fountains. So let's test out the other ones. All right, you guys, so we have our flatheads. We're gonna test the flatheads out. Let's see if everything works out well. Okay, so that works out pretty well. I actually like this style. It's pretty cool. All right, so that's one nozzle right there. Oh, and the cap came off. Twist that back on. Twist it off. All right, so that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's the 7 holes right there. We are going to get into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Another 7 holes here. But this one is a little bit different, or it's the same thing. Seems like the same thing. I don't know why they gave us 2 of the same nozzles. Let's see. Okay, so that one comes out a little bit better. All right, so that's not that bad. But that's different from this 7 nozzle. So I'm going to put this 7 nozzle back on just to check it out. All right, so it does shoot up a little bit different. So that 7 nozzle versus this 7 nozzle right here. All right, so y'all see the difference when it comes to that. Now, the only thing I can give this a con, well, it's 2 cons already. One, they don't have the little straws. Remember the little straws that, you know, hits the side wall of your basin or whatever you're going to put it in, your bird bath. We're missing those parts. All right. And I'll show y'all later. All right, this one is, how many holes is this? A lot. So this is the other flat one right here. It's the last one they have. So let's go ahead and put that one to the test. All right, so that's not bad. And it's not shooting up that high, but we will check on the remote to see if we can make it shoot higher. We will check all of that. And then once you put your hand on there, it's shade right now. All right. Put your hand on there, shade. All right. So, yeah, you definitely need the sun with this. We witnessed that the other day. All right, so we got 2 of the bullets that we're going to use. So, right here and right here. This is a new style for me, so we're going to check this out. Oh, that's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. If they can like integrate the straws in there to block it from going all the way to the side, that way you don't lose too much water. And then we have our last one, which is the bullet. The bullet, not really one of my favorite ones, but yeah. So that's the bullet right there. And it's shooting up pretty high. But now I like this one. I might have a new favorite one, you guys. What do you know? I like this. All right, you guys, so we are going to check out the remote. The button right here on the bottom is to control the water. And it's not really doing nothing. All right. And the 2 on top is to control the light. So you have the brightness of the light, and I believe you can change what is it? It's something else. Oh, ladybug. Oh, it's dead now. But the remote is not really doing nothing. But these are new batteries though. This is not working. So we have a few cons with this one. You guys might contact the seller and let them know, like, I don't know, maybe this is defective. I really wanted this to work because this is my favorite nozzle right here. And if that's how it works, it won't work for me. We buy this stuff so it works, right? Ooh, that shoots up pretty high. Maybe because the sun is really beaming on it. I like how it's easy to change as well. Let me see if the remote works with this. I think okay. I think the remote worked because every time I hit the button, it changes. Let me see. See, when I hit the button, it went lower. I think the remote worked, you guys. It just is not very noticeable. Yeah, it's not noticeable. I'm gonna hit the remote. Hit the remote again. See, it's going up more. Let me try this nozzle. Make sure I'm not hallucinating. All right, so this shoots up high. So let's see. I'm gonna hit the water button. Nothing. No, this thing don't work, you guys. I don't think the remote works. And I'm aiming right at this stupid thing. All right. So that's it with that. We'll get into the light show, see how the light works. But other than that, that's it. All right. And I don't want to lose too much water right now because the one that I wanted to use is not working. Oh, this is a bummer, you guys. This is a bummer. All right, so it comes out of that part, but it's supposed to flow out of the whole circle. Okay. I know you got to screw it in. See? It's not happening, and I'm getting mad. All right, you guys. Yeah, this may have to get returned. This is not working out. I'll wait until the light show, see if it controls the lights. If it controls the lights, that means the remote works, okay? If it controls the lights, but it may not control the flow that good. But yeah, I'll see y'all later on. I'm going to test out the remote as far as the light goes, and we are going to see if anything changed because we don't get nothing with the water level. So let's check the lighting on this. So nothing happens. Yeah, this got to go back, you guys. This is not working properly. Maybe it's defective. I might give it another try, but for right now, I'm just going to return it. I'm going to try something else that has a remote to it. But yeah, nothing's happening. All right, you guys, so that will be it. Sorry, has to go back. Love the design, but we will try something else out. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section. And again, you guys, I do honest reviews, so I put it out no matter if it works or not. I will put it out and show the people my experience with it. So I tell all companies the same thing, and it is what it is. So if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.